Enjoy the most cherished books in just 2 minutes.
Dive into the epic world of the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, where shadows whisper and destinies collide. Author Suzanne Collins returns, crafting a prequel that unravels the mysterious roots of the Hunger Games. Meet Coriolanus Snow, the captivating anti-hero navigating a world of ambition, power, and moral complexity. Explore the evolution of the Hunger Games, witnessing the genesis of the capital's ruthless traditions. Experience the chilling dance between survival and manipulation as Coriolanus mentors the future tribute, Lucy Greybeard. As alliances form and secrets unfurl, the novel weaves a tale of intrigue, blurring the lines between hero and villain. Unravel the psychological layers of characters, exposing the humanity behind the capital's veneer of cruelty. In a society on the brink, choices become weapons, and the consequences of one's actions reverberate through the ages. Witness the birth of a villain, a nation, and the haunting melody that echoes through the corridors of Panem. Suzanne Collins masterfully explores the cost of ambition and the shadows that shape the destiny of a nation. Join the journey where the ballad echoes, leaving you haunted, enthralled, and forever changed.
Enjoy the most cherished books in just 2 minutes.
Use the link in the description to unlock the entire audiobook experience for free on audible.com.
Inside our minds. Audible.